We're talking about natural base e, and we want to simplify the expressions below. So we have 10e raised to negative 4x, and then that whole that whole term raised to the third power. So what we can do is we can take that third power and distribute it to all the parts inside the parentheses. So we get 10 to the third power, and then e to the negative 4x, and that is going to be raised to the third power as well. And 10 to the third power is 1,000. And negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. And the last step that we can do is we can move e to the negative 12x to the denominator. So we get 1,000 over e to the 12x. That's the simplified version there. And then here we have the same base. So what we can do is we can add the exponents. So multiply the coefficients together. 1 times 3, that is going to be 3. Then we have the same base. And then we have x plus 2. And then we have 2 common terms in the numerator, or in the exponent. So 3e, there's 2 x's plus 2. The next one, we're trying to simplify the radical here, and here we have the square root. Square root of 16, e 8 to the x, right? E raised 8 to the x power. Because the coefficient out here is even, we get to take this whole exponent out of the radical. So the square root of 16 is 4. And the e comes out. And the square root of 8 to the x, another way that we can write that is ax over 2, if we write it in radical form. And then we can have the 8 and the 2, those are going to cancel, and we're going to be left with 4e raised to the 4x power.